You okay? You ready? Here you go. Take a bite. Watch what you're doing. Here. Let's put this down a minute. Put this down a minute. You take your spoon and put it in your mouth. Watch what you're doing. Don't look at the camera. Put it in your mouth. Good job. Put it back in the bowl. Get some more. Here, lick here. There you go. Good job. You're eating by yourself. Take another spoonful. Good job. Keep going. That's how you do it. Turn around. There you go. Now do it. You can do it. You're doing so good. You take another bite? Here, I'll help you. Good, just like that. That was super. High five. That was really good. Ready for more? How about one more bite and then you can have your stethoscope. Good job. Yay. That was good. Grab it. One more bite. Give me this and you can have another bite, and I'll give it back to you. You're doing so good. Don't get upset. Show me how you can do it. Good job. Here, try this. Put it in like that. And we grab it. We hold it up. Look at all that we got on the spoon. Just like that. Super. It's frustrating, isn't it? You're using different muscles and trying to plan in your head how to do everything. It's frustrating. How about two more? Two more. You do it with your left hand? Let's go. Open your mouth. Whoops. Good try. Good try. I know. Okay. Good job. I'm gonna feed you from here. I'll help you in just a second.